Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I want to show you the new bot that we have that we launched out today. And I've been running this on my own for a week or two. And we had a few little errors or glitches with it, and we got all those worked out. It's actually working really well. And today's the first day that I've run it on as far as the public. So I've launched it. There's been other people running it and making money with it as well. So I'm going to go over the trades. I turned it on about 10 o'clock this morning. And I usually don't run things during the open. The only thing I do is I'll run Super Trend in the open, and we actually did really well. It was almost $800 on Super Trend this morning, so it did well. And then after I usually won't run a couple bots at the same time because I want to watch them. So I turned it off, and now I'm running this one. I've got this one paused now. We're up $7,646.80. That's running only 4 contracts on NQ. I did run this on a March contract, but it would have worked out the same on the June contract. It would have been the same ones. So we're going to take the first trade here. This is our profit targets and everything. So we had one trade there. Here's our second trade, winner. And come back over here. This is our third trade. Now, I never touched this bot. It did it all. It's our third trade. Here's our fourth trade. Here's our fifth trade. And I shared these settings with everybody in the SpyBot. So how many was that? I lost count. I was talking and lost track. Let's see here. We had 2 there. There's 3. There's 4. There's 5. Here's 6. There's 7. And then we had a loser here. So it's 8 trades, 7-1, 8-1, 9-1. I think it was the last one, yeah. 9-1, and so we had 9 winners, 1 loss. That's what we ended up having. So let's go ahead and do the strategy performance and bring this over. And this is what it played out today. We had the one loser. We've got a profit factor of 9.26, which is incredible. We have a winning ratio of 94.29%. 33 winning trades, so we were trading 4 contracts at the same time. So there was 33 trades per se, and we had average losing trade was 463.16. That's because it has more than the one contract. That's why that comes out that way. I did pretty good. I'm real happy with this. $7,600 in a matter of about 3 hours we run this, and did really well. So I'm real happy with the results. As far as the bot, it does real well. When you lease SpyBot, you get everything. Everything on this chart will be here except for this red line. That's something else I'm working on. But that red line wouldn't be there. But the bot has everything it needs to run it. And I supply settings that I find that work really well. Whenever I do that, it's up to you to run them. And you can run this on micros or minis, about anything you want. These settings are set for NQ. I'm going to find some that work for RTY and ES. We may find some for UB as well. I haven't run it on any of that, so I don't know for sure how it operates on that. NQ is doing really well. You need something that is going to move a little bit, typically. But I do believe that RTY and ES will do fine on this spot. But if it doesn't, I mean, you've got NQ, you can trade it. You just turn it on, let it take its trades, do everything. You don't have to do anything. There's break-even stops and everything on here to keep from getting so bad. On this one right here, you can see the super trend is what actually stopped it out there. Let's see if we can find a break-even in here. I know there was one, maybe even 2. No, I was thinking there was one. Maybe that was last night, because I run it last night. It came out $2,400 last night. And then I shut it off this morning. I don't know what time it was. I think maybe 8 o'clock, maybe 9, something like that. And then that's when I went over to the super trend and run it. and then I come back over to this one and run it. So it does really well. If you have any questions or anything, please let me know. You can do that. Go onto our website. You can run this on a funded account. We'll go over it here in a second, but if you go to SpyBot Auto Trading Bot, you scroll down, there's a lot of information about how the bots work. There's 6 courses that it comes with. So you got your setup, your downloads, perimeters, settings, training videos, and webinars. All that comes in with the lease. You also get 20% off any thing on our website as far as any indicators or anything. 20% off that. You get our courses on there for free. And you also get the training videos where I do manual, like if you're manually trading, I train you how to trade and so forth. You get all that for free. That all comes with the bot. And you come down to the bottom, right here is where you want to be. It's $1,000 a month at the time of this video. And there's a setup charge if you want, but you really don't need it. If you just follow the instructions in the SpyBot, you don't need it. If you do need help later, then we can do that for you. I log into your PC, install everything, but honestly, it's really not that hard. I think you can do it on your own. But again, if you're not comfortable with it, let me know. Add that to your cart, and we can do that. You may want to try the lease first, and if you can't do it, then go back in and add the setup fee. You can add it later. Then we have a funded accounts. We have 3 different ones that we recommend. All 3 companies are great companies. Don't have any problems with any of them. There are differences. There's a chart here that kind of goes over the differences between the 3. And if you're looking for long-term, if you want to get into one and just use it forever, Apex is going to be your best bet because it's a 90-10 split. These 2 are 80-20, but they do have some advantages over Apex. One is the drawdown. The drawdown works. In my opinion, I like the drawdown on this better because it's end-of-day drawdown. It's not by the highest balance like Apex. And then whenever you become funded, then the earn to trade works like Apex, whereas the U profit, you still have the $2,200 minimum drawdown. So down here's a good little chart to show you everything about it, to let you know more about it. There are 2 coupons here, Apex through the end of March, U profits through the end of March. The earn to trade doesn't have a coupon. It does take 15 days to get through the valuation, where U profit and Apex only has 10 days. So that is an advantage those 2 have. As far as contact me, if you want to contact me, come up here to the contact page, fill all this information out. If you need to speak to me, just put in your phone number, what time's the best to call you, and I'll do that. If you just got a simple little question, need some help with some things, type in your questions, I'll answer them back. I'm really quick about answering all this. I don't let messages go. Customer support is one of my main focuses. I want to make sure everybody is working good and doing fine. So if you have any questions at all, let me know. Again, it's SpyMoneyLSE.com. You go there, and also if you go in there, if you don't want any of this, if you buy 2 or more products off my website, you'll get a discount. You can also sign up for our free webinars and news releases. So anytime I have something coming out, or I announce a new bot or indicator or a course or whichever, I post those here. Also, if I do any free public webinars, I do that here. If you haven't watched this video, you should watch this. This is a live interview with Fish in our Discord. And he teaches how he uses Ranger and Mover to make his money. So if you do this, watch this video, you're going to be amazed. Last week, he made $18,000 in 4 days with 1 contract. That's what he made. The proof is in the Discord. He posts his profits and stuff. Today he's up over $4,000. And I think a few trades at the end he did a couple contracts, but normally he was at just shy of $4,000 on 1 contract today. I saw it, so I know it's there. Have any questions? Let me know. I'd be happy to help you, and I will see you. Oh, one thing, Discord. If you are not part of our Discord, come up here to this button, click on that, and that'll open up here. You can check this that you read our disclaimer, start your membership, and it will open up into our Discord. It's free. Don't cost you a thing. Come in and check us out. See what you think. Got any questions? Let me know. Have a great day.